So go to meshtastic.org. This is for flashing your new device. So if you've never done one on your computer, this is where you watch a bunch of videos and they will leave this section out. You got to go to your documents on .org, getting started, which will be to the left. Scroll down, and right where you see verified data cables, so you need to have a data cable. You can either go buy one or order one on Amazon that you know will do it, or you can test them. Is basically it says, by trying to hook a phone to it and transferring data through it. But then your PC or whatever device, your computer will need a driver, a USB driver, to install from Chrome or a browser. So in our case, we would need to install the ESP32 for this PC. You may have to do more research on the difference between these, but that worked for our PC, which is a Windows, running Windows. You click on that, then it gives you Linux, Macs. It automatically connects us to Windows. Then go to that top CP210 by USB to UART bridge download. Then you click download. It has a downloads menu, and then I downloaded the CP210 by Universal Window Driver, and it has the Mac OS driver, another Windows. I don't know, maybe these are different versions of Windows, but we did the 10, and you click on that, and it's already in the computer, so it's showing it there. And of course, then you want to download, but then you want to also install and make sure you are using that driver. And then you can go back to the website, and you're gonna, at the top where it says Meshtastic, Docs, Blog, Downloads, go to Flasher, and then take your device that you're trying to flash, and on this one I think you're supposed to hold this button down. They all have different little tricks, but hold it down, kind of wake it up, and then plug it in. Select target. You can see if it'll auto connect, but I found better luck actually finding your device. There's lots of them on here. We got the Heltec V3, and there's a couple of versions of that. They all have the same model, so I don't know if it matters which one we click on. Then, so there's our board. Then you come in here to the version that you're downloading. They have alpha, and they have some different versions, but if you're not really messing with the software, just go beta stable, and then hit flash. You'll come to this screen. It basically goes over everything they've done with it. Continue. This is new, so we're going to erase and install. And at the bottom, then click. You're going to pick your device. It's the only thing plugged in. This says CP2102 USB to UART bridge. Connect. And it's starting. You can see by it's throwing the code on there. And then once we get to 100%, it'll run a few tests, and then you can unplug, but don't unplug it before that. Otherwise, you have to start over.